Hello students, now let us see the surface tension. Okay, so we will solve some problems and we will try to define it easily. What is the surface tension in chemistry? Okay, so surface tension in is a fundamental properties of surface of liquid. Okay, surface tension is fundamental properties of surface of liquid. Surface tension is responsible for the curvature of the surface of the air and liquids. Okay, so how this, if suppose sometime liquid is forming like that. Okay, so this forming the curvature, that is why this is forming the curvature, because of the surface tension. The surface tension is responsible for the ability of some liquid object to float on the surface of the liquid. So how the liquids are being float on the liquid surface, the region is what, student? The region is what? That is surface tension. Okay, so with the surface tension they are trying to float like that. Okay, and that is if the curvature of the liquid is also the cause of the surface tension. Now let us move for the second question, students. What is second question? What is the surface tension of water? What is the surface tension of water? The surface tension is tendency of liquid surface to shrink into the minimum surface area possible. Okay, because of the relatively high attraction of water molecule to each other through a hydrogen bond, water has higher surface tension, 72.8 newtons per meter at 20 degrees Celsius, the most other than most other liquid. So surface tension also keep the size of the molecule very small. Okay, size of the molecule very small, that is also the surface tension. Okay student, let us move another problem. What is the surface tension and units? So what is the surface tension unit? The unit of surface tension Newton per meter. Surface tension is Newton per meter. Okay student, now let us move another problem. What are the factors affecting the surface tension of a liquid? Surface tension is caused by the effect of intermolecular forces at the at the interface. Surface tension depend on the nature of the liquid, the surrounding environment and temperature. Liquids where molecules have large attractive intermolecular forces will have a large surface tension. Okay, so surface tension is caused by the effect of the intermolecular forces at the interface. Surface tension depend on the nature of the liquid, the surrounding environment and temperature. Okay, so surface tension is depending on surrounding environment, temperature. Liquid where molecules have the large attractive intermolecular force will have large surface tension. Okay, next point. Why is the surface tension of the paints lubricants oil kept low? Okay, so paint and lubricant oils, they are having the low. The surface tension of the lubricant oil and paint is kept low because it can spread over large area easily and faster. So paint, that is the it's painted on the surface, so it gets spread, that is it has the low surface tension. Name the force responsible for the surface tension. That is cohesive force. The property of surface tension is obtained by liquids. Okay, the property of surface tension is obtained by liquid. What is meant by cohesive force? Cohesion in physics, the intermolecular attractive force acting between two adjacent particles of a substance, particularly of a solid liquid. It is the force that hold a piece of matter together intermolecular forces acts also between two dissimilar substances called dissimilar substance in contact, a phenomena called adhesive. So cohesive means the similar forces, adhesive means that is dissimilar forces attraction. Is dissimilar forces attraction, that is the adhesive. Okay, adhesive, and that is similar forces, that is cohesive. This is our answers. Now let us move another problem, student. What is the difference between cohesive and adhesive? Attractive force between the molecule of the same type is called cohesive liquid force. A liquid can form, example, be held in open container because cohesive hold the molecules together. Attractive forces between molecules of different type is called adhesive forces. Definition and unit. The force acting per unit length at right angle to the imaginary line which draw the surface of the liquid called the surface tension. Surface tension is equal to force upon length. Newton per meter SI unit. Okay. Dyne per centimeter is the CGS unit. So this is all about the surface tension. Thank you so much for watching, friends.